out there in YouTube land. I want to let you know something. Ali, he had Boudini Brown. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Samurai Steve, he's got shed, jerks a lot. You know what Steve's saying is? His lure might be small, but when he puts it in the water, he catches them all. So all y'all in the challenge, this is what you're gonna get. What you gonna get? Come here, Steve.
Yo.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. You want some of that? We go.
Wow!
See this twig? That's what's happening to you today.
Let's go fish. Okay, the first fish of the day, a little bluegill. That's a nice one. Oh, goodness gracious.
Yeah, and you got the idea in there.
And I got the idea. Now right up there is a gator. Over here? Oh, there's another one. All right, so right there's a gator about 40 yards in front of me. I know the camera's not going to pick it up, and there's one over there. You can see his tail. He's sitting there sunning. So guys, not only do I go out and catch multi-species, you know, I do it in dangerous conditions. All right. Okay, another species, yellow perch. He's little, but he counts as a point. Mark is hooked up. Looks like a bass. Let's go see what he... Oh! I don't know what it is, but it's big. That's what she said. Those are hard... Whoa, those are hard chargers. Look at that. Nice little blowfin.
Alright.
Stick your finger in his mouth, see what he does.
I'm good. Thank you. Get my picture for my ID and yeah, make another trophy. That'd be another species for you.
Cool.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so here's an update. I am at 3 points right now, 3 different species, and I'm probably going to stick around here for maybe another hour and head to the saltwater. One thing I can say about today is I have never fished around so many alligators in my life. I'm watching one, a small one, swim right over there, just covered up in gators. Okay, so here's the deal. It's getting late in the day. I'm in saltwater now. I'm gonna try to close it out with a couple of last minute points. I'm not gonna be fishing tomorrow. My buddy Mark Patterson, he's over there working a grass line. I'm working a hole over here, so probably maybe 2 hours left to score a few more points in the kayak fishing challenge. And I know you you probably can't hear me because the wind is horrible. Well, let's see if we can get hooked up. Okay, just picked up a croaker. The old standby. It's small, but it is a point. All right. You can always rely on croakers in saltwater. Small hook, little piece of shrimp. Booyah, croaker. Okay, second croaker, just in case the first video didn't take. All right. We're inside a marina now, just bottom fishing, trying to get out of some of that wind.
All right, everybody, we had an amazing day on the water with Samurai Steve. He did the very best he can. I mean, he did all he could. It was a great day. He only managed 4, though. Our goal was 10, which means Steve made a 40. So, I don't really know what else to say, but do you have anything to say about that, Steve?
Man, I'm sorry. I feel like I underperformed. Sir, may I have another?
Absolutely.
Oh.